この番組は楽しさ無限大セガエンタープライズがお送りしました。
I need a cigarette. Cigarettes. Hey, how you doing? You know, I really need a cigarette. So I'd like to buy a pack of cigarettes, please. Here, wait.
Nope.
No, it's just one pack. That's all I need. It's my nickel. No cigarettes. You don't serve cigarettes here?
Nope.
No? Not even one cigarette?
No. No cigarettes. No.
Where are my cigarettes? I need a cigarette. I need a cigarette now! Hey, excuse me, sir. I was wondering if I could just, bum a cigarette, please?
No, get out of here!
God, man, I really need a cigarette. I don't care what kind of cigarette it is. I don't care if it's a fucking menthol. I don't care if it's a cool. I don't care if it's the fucking Merit. There's got to be a cigarette around here somewhere. What's wrong with people these days, man? You ask for a cigarette and they act like total jerks. I don't believe this is country. Man, hey, Cancerface. Hey, you with the screwdriver. You got a cigarette, man? Oh, God, you're ugly.
No, fuck off.
Oh, fuck you, man. I smell cigarettes. Oh, my God. I don't know what's wrong with people these days. Every time I ask for a cigarette, all I get is a fucking lecture.
Good afternoon, and welcome to today's segment of the Anti-Cigarette Lecture Series, exploring why cigarettes are bad for you. As you know, there's a psychological dimension as well as a physical dimension to cigarette addiction.
Yep.
A group of fraternity types, not unlike yourselves, stole Mrs. O'Leary's pet cat named Tabby Moskowitz. And they took poor Tabby down to the dormitory canteen where they popped him in the kitchen magic microwave oven and set the dials on roast and poultry. And we heard the last confessions of Tabby Moskowitz.
Where did little Tabby go? It's unlike her not to show. Yes, I'd really like to know. Where did little Tabby go? Just another case of microwave murders. Really a disgrace, those microwave murders. Such an awful waste, those microwave murders.
In a recent UPI release, we hear the despicable story of a Mrs. Felicia Lamumps and her prize miniature poodle Fifi, who, after a luxurious bubble bath, was placed in the Lamumps family brand new kitchen magic microwave oven and set to dry on the muffins and pastry setting.
How was I to really know this is how my Fifi go? Right before the doggy show in her pink and yellow bow. Just another taste of microwave murders. Really a disgrace, those microwave murders. Such an awful waste, those microwave murders. know. This is how my feet go. Right before the doggy show. In her pink and yellow bow. Just another case of microwave murders. Really a disgrace, those microwave murders. Such an awful waste, those microwave murders. Help me! Help me!
I don't plan on voting because I don't believe in none of the candidates that are available right now, and Bush ain't doing no damn good for nobody.
And I will vote in the primary, but I don't know who I'll vote for because I don't really like what anybody has said, and I don't know that I trust any of the candidates.
Hi, Joe.
Hi.
Joe, why don't you tell us a little bit about yourself? How long you been out here waving?
Hi.
Doing good?
All right.
Okay, keep waving.
Hi. Hi.
The police, they gave you some problems a while back, didn't they? What did they try to get you to stop waving?
Well, the judge told me not to wave.
Since when is it a crime to just wave?
I don't know. You got to see the judge about that.
Doesn't stop you though, right?
No, because it'll be a $650 fine, which I don't have, and I'll go to jail.
They're going to charge you $650 if you wave?
Yeah, and I'll go to jail. They'll tell me I don't have it, so I'll go to jail. So I make the judge happy.
Honey, what's the matter? You look shook.
I just saw him.
Who, the crowd? The freak? So?
They're so horrible.
Honey, God made them the way they are. They're better off around here than most places.
Why do they have to be anywhere?
Well, they have to live somewhere, like in Essex. Or in my mother's basement, where we're going to watch Nostradamus insert 10 quarters into his nostrils. Coming up next on Atomic TV.
Hold it next to cars. All right, here's one.
Right on the set.
There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And I run out of quarters. If I had more, I could probably do more, Scott.
Tilt that head back. We got to get the nostril cam.
Oh. Oh, the one that gets up in there is like, you really got to reach for that one.
It's back in the back of the head.
It's kind of like a tampon when you lose the string.
Exactly. There's one.
When you lose the string.
Oh, I don't know if I can do 2.
Yeah.
You look like Michael Jackson for certain.
Oh, that's disgusting.
How much is he up to now?
He did the 8.
I could probably do more.
Hey, Joe, you're on TV. That'll get you chicks.
Yeah.
I think he's cute.
Aren't you the guy who showed clothes?
Now, is that the only orifice you can put currency up?
That's not the only one. No other one.
If you could shuffle a deck of cards with your tongue on the
Hey, there you go.
Fantasy, entertainment, escape, divertissement, monsieur, whatever, then you got a chance at a classic.
We hope you've enjoyed the preceding short feature.
And the first group of Cubans from the refugee-packed Peruvian embassy in Havana have arrived in Costa Rica and complained about rough treatment from other Cubans on their way out. Well, it may not indicate that the sanctions against Iran are working, but there is one shortage being reported by a commercial newspaper in Tehran. Iranians are running out of zippers. The newspaper says problems on the docks have led to a zipper shortage. 60-cent zippers, according to the report, are now running as high as $1.30. For 5 years, singer Art Garfunkel has considered himself a divorced man. Now he finds out that he's not. A St. Louis judge has ruled the divorce Garfunkel and his wife Linda obtained in Haiti is invalid because they were not Haitian residents. That means Linda can sue for a brand new divorce and alimony. And now once again, let's join Bill Tush for a look at this morning's mailbag.
Welcome to the old mailbag, and let's see what everybody has written us this week from High Springs, Florida. I wish that you had mentioned High Springs, Florida. Hi, High Springs. From Augusta, Georgia, could you show some Charlie Chan movies on the weekend? Well, we don't have any. We don't have any Charlie Chan movies scheduled for the weekends, but they're going to be beginning on weekday evenings right here on the Superstation starting in June. From
shining boats go by, statues paint the sky. We're out to sea, just you and me on the water, spinning on the foam, like my tubby tugboat and soapy ducky. I'm lucky, I'm bound for home. The wind that's in my hair makes music in the air. It sings a song of ships from long ago. Spinning on the foam, like my tubby tugboat and soapy ducky. I'm lucky, I'm bound for home. Like my tubby tugboat and soapy ducky. I'm lucky, I'm like my tubby tugboat and soapy ducky. I'm lucky, I'm like my tubby tugboat and soapy ducky. I'm lucky, I'm like my tubby tugboat and soapy ducky. I'm lucky, I'm bound for home.
Why do you do Nosferatu after Murmur? There are many reasons for it. One reason is that Nosferatu, in my opinion, is the most important film ever made in Germany. So this is some sort of a challenge. And